English to Pashto sentences. Where is the tea shop? د چای دکان کوم ځای دی؟ Where is the tea shop? Are you American? آیا ته امریکن دی؟ Are you American? What are you doing? ته څه کوې؟ What are you doing? Can you call me back later? آیا ته ما ته وروستو کال کولی شي؟ Can you call me back later? Do you believe that? آیا ته په هغې باندې یقین لرې؟ Do you believe that? Do you like your boss? آیا ته خپل مالک خوښی؟ Do you like your boss? You should quit smoking. تا له سیګرټ څکل پرېښوده پکار دي. You should quit smoking. Should I wait for you here? آیا زه دلته ستا انتظار وکم؟ Should I wait for you here? I'm just watching TV. زه صرف ټي وي ګورم. I'm just watching TV. The train just left. ریل ګاډی اوس لاړ. The train just left. He made a mistake. هغه غلطي وکړه. He made a mistake. Butter is made from milk. کوچ د پيو نه جوړیږي. Butter is made from milk. When will you be back? ستا واپسی به کله یي؟ When will you be back? Don't worry. فکر مه کوه. Don't worry. Have they met him? آیا هغوی د هغه سره میلاو شوي دي؟ Have they met him? Here is your salad. دا دی ستا سلاد. Here is your salad. How do you spell it? د دې لیکدود څه دی؟ یا د دې سپیل څه دی؟ How do you spell it? What is the total price? ټول قیمت څه دی؟ یا ټول قیمت څومره دی؟ What is the total price? Can I eat this? آیا زه دا خوړی شم؟ Can I eat this? Can we talk in private? آیا مونږ ځان له یوازې خبرې کوی شو؟ یا آیا مونږ ځان له پرایویټ خبرې کوی شو؟ Can we talk in private? I got in an accident. په ما یوه حادثه راغله. I got in an accident. I need to go to the office. ما له دفتر ته تللی دي. I need to go to the office. I want to give you a flower. زه تاله یو ګل درکول غواړم. I want to give you a flower. I would like to make a call. زه یو اړیکه کول غواړم. یا زه یو کال کول غواړم. I would like to make a call. I will tell him you called. زه به هغه ته ووایم چې تا اړیکه کړې وه. یا زه به هغه ته ووایم چې تا کال کړی و. I will tell him you called. I am looking for a tea shop. ما لره د چای د یو دکان تلاش دی. I am looking for a tea shop. یا زه د چای یو دکان ګورم. Is anyone else coming? آیا نور څوک راځي؟ Is anyone else coming? Excuse me, is this your seat? بخښنه غواړم آیا دا ستا سیټ دی؟ Excuse me, is this your seat? What kind of fish is this? دا څرنګه ماهی دی؟ What kind of fish is this? It's 10:30. لس نیمې بجې دي. It's 10:30. He is going on vacation from tomorrow. هغه د سبا نه په چوټۍ ځي. He is going on vacation from tomorrow. My house is near the station. زما کور د اډې سره نږدې دی. My house is near the station. Are you feeling okay? آیا ته ښه یې؟ Are you feeling okay? Don't tell me what to do. ما ته مه وایه چې څه کول دي. Don't tell me what to do. Did she tell you her name? آیا هغې تا ته خپل نوم ووی؟ Did she tell you her name? I will check your temperature. زه به ستا درجه حرارت وګورم. I will check your temperature. That's the first I have heard of it. ما دې باره کې په اول ځل اورېدلی دي. That's the first I have heard of it. The phone is broken. phone مات شوی دی. The phone is broken. The house is very messy. کور ډیر ګډوډ دی. The house is very messy. What do people usually do in summer here? خلق عام طور باندې دلته په ګرمۍ کې څه کوي؟ What do people usually do in summer here? When will you go to the store? ته به دکان ته کله ځې؟ When will you go to the store? What is the date today? نن څه تاریخ دی؟ What is the date today? When does the plane arrive? جهاز کله راځي؟ When does the plane arrive? Where is it? دا کوم ځای دی؟ Where is it? Are you allergic to anything? آیا ستا د څه شیز نه الرجي ده؟ Are you allergic to anything? At what time did it happen? دا په څه وخت وشو؟ At what time did it happen? Can you call back later? آیا ته به وروستو اړیکه وکې؟ یا آیا ته به وروستو کال وکې؟ Can you call back later? Do you like to watch TV? آیا ته ټي وي کته خوښی؟ Do you like to watch TV? Don't do that. داسې مه کوه. Don't do that. Have a good trip. ستاسو سفر دی ښه وي. یا ستاسو سفر دی په خیر وي. Have a good trip. How do you say it in Pashto? تاسو دا په پښتو کې څنګه وایې؟ How do you say it in Pashto? How many people came to the party? څومره خلق مې خپل راغلی وو؟ How many people came to the party? I came with my family. زه د خپل خاندان سره راغلی یم. I came with my family. I need to change clothes. ما ته د جامو د بدلولو ضرورت دی. I need to change clothes. I would like to go to the store. زه دکان ته تله غواړم. I would like to go to the store. I will teach you sentences. زه به تا ته جملې وښیم یعنی زه به تا ته جملې ټیچ کم. I will teach you sentences. I am leaving tomorrow. زه سبا ځم. I am leaving tomorrow. The trains come every 10 minutes. रेल गाड़ी हर 10 मिनट पस राځي. The trains come every 10 minutes. It happened a few minutes ago. دا یو څو منټه مخکې وشو. It happened a few minutes ago. Is the place safe? آیا دا محفوظ ځای دی؟ Is the place safe? It's going to snow today. نن واوره ورېدو واله ده. It's going to snow today. I have worked here for 10 years. ما 10 کاله دلته کار کړی دی. I have worked here for 10 years. My grandfather passed away last year. تیر شوی کال زما بابا وفات شوی و. My grandfather passed away last year. Of course, he is an excellent doctor. یقیناً هغه یو ډیر ښه ډاکټر دی. Of course, he is an excellent doctor. د دې نور ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.